What is the aspect ratio when the wing is 10 feet long and 2 feet wide? A 5. B 10. C 50. D 0.4. The correct answer is 5. What is the required time of descent for flight gradient? A 50 min. B 15 min. C 24 min. D 70 min. The correct answer is 24 min. The rate of the change in the cabin pressure should not exceed at sea level. A 30 feet min. B 3000 feet min. C 3 feet min. D 300 feet min. The correct answer is 300 feet min. What is the formula of aspect ratio? A as frac BS. B as frac SB. C as frac S2B. D as frac B2S. The correct answer is as frac B2S. Which of the following are not heavy lift devices? A full span flaps. B drooped ailerons. C passive boundary layer control systems. D elevator. The correct answer is elevator. What measures are taken to maintain precise control of flight path gradient? A elevator settings alone. B thrust settings alone. C elevator and thrust settings. D flap settings. The correct answer is elevator and thrust settings. How is the power-induced lift generated? A. Installing the propeller in front of the wing. B. Installing the propeller in front of the wing and deflecting the slip stream with large flaps. C. Deflecting the slip stream with large flaps. D. Deflecting the slip stream with large rudder. The correct answer is installing the propeller in front of the wing and deflecting the slip stream with large flaps. What is aspect ratio? A. It is the ratio of square of wingspan to wing area. B. It is the ratio of wingspan to wing area. C. It is the ratio of square of wing area to wingspan. D. It is the ratio of wing area to wingspan. The correct answer is it is the ratio of square of wingspan to wing area. What is engine failure accountability? A. Management of landing during the engine failure. B. Management of takeoff during the engine failure. C. Fuel management during the engine failure. D. Thrust management during the engine failure. The correct answer is management of landing during the engine failure. Ski jump takeoff path is used by A. Military aircrafts. B. Commercial aircrafts. C. Passenger aircrafts. D. Cargo aircrafts. The correct answer is military aircrafts. Which of the following are the correct type of takeoff and landings? A. Reduced takeoff and landing, short takeoff and landing, vertical takeoff and landing. B. Short takeoff and landing, vertical takeoff and landing. C. Convectional takeoff and landing, reduced takeoff and landing. D. Convectional takeoff and landing, reduced takeoff and landing, short takeoff and landing, vertical takeoff and landing, short takeoff and vertical landing. The correct answer is reduced takeoff and landing, short takeoff and landing, vertical takeoff and landing. Accurate manual control of the flight path will be difficult to handle without the auto-throttle. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. High lift devices can be used to increase the maximum lift coefficient of an aircraft and reduce the lift of speed. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The aircraft uses short takeoff landing to reduce the takeoff fuel demand. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The flight control cannot be alone handled by the elevator alone at the backside of drag curve. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. VTOL is the extreme case of STOL. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.